Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobiying Jompi
Menteri Ketenat Kekot Kekia ke Sorkar Jilla James PK Sangma hakasngi palai jangka arpu sautrik unai leber arajar arpu ula ong baka Sorkar kadang bishar lakan ya ni Shakmat ban penkut no ya ke jingete sekolah bat ke company na Kolkata ya kabala tip kom ke Kali Pradip Chaudhary Group kabala ya soy ke sekolah ban Shna ya ke Shillong Medical College ha New Shillong Township hakajing keren bat kilat patai khubor James PK Sangma ula ong baka Sorkar Jilla kadang bishar ya kani kam namar kani ka company kala shu ishra bat kampat shimla pentrai satya ya kani ka project wat hadin baladeb kajing ya soy sekolah.
Okay, the government is still examining this matter in terms of whether we scrap this agreement or we consider the kind of changes to the concessionaire agreement which the concessionaire is asking for. So those are still under examination. But then, not to jump the gun, but it does appear to be something that we feel after many discussions that it will be difficult to go ahead with changes to the concessionaire agreement. So therefore, we are examining it yet. The final decision is yet to be taken. Yes, the Tura Medical College is very much on track. The first phase has seen about 30 to 35% or something like that of completion in terms of civil work. So it has been going very slow because COVID did impact the pace of progress for the civil construction. And of course there are also other factors which I have had several review meetings to try to address those kind of problems in terms of the approach road, in terms of water, in terms of electricity. And we are hopeful that we will be able to put things back on track to see that this project is completed. It's a very, very prestigious project for us. See, you must be aware that this is only the first phase. So this balance of second phase and third phase is yet to be started. This is just the administrative block which is being constructed as of now. So we are also looking at starting with the second and the third phase together.